Dear student and honorable guardian to join online class of Shubhadda High School. I am Muhammad Kafilur Rahman. Now I take English class of class 8 or JSC. Today's topic, making 5 sentences from column A and column B below the table. Firstly, we observe and read column A's sentence. Secondly, we go to read column B's sentence and we try to realize how we make or we can make sentence. Now we read. Student have. First of all, students can. Most of the people, students can provide. Also render service to the country. Some duties to perform. Education to the poor, helpless people of our country. Our illiterate has to study hard. Now we make 5 sentences. What is the technique? Firstly, you write column A serial, A, B, C, D, E. Secondly, column A's mass, column B's number. Here, mass serial number 2, 2 equal. Then you make students have some duties to perform. Thus, second sentence, B and plus B's 5, number 5. First of all, he has to study hard. C plus B's number 1. Students can also render service to the country. D plus 4 of B. Most of the people of our country are illiterate. E plus 3 of B. Students can provide education to the poor, helpless people. Thus, we make 5 sentences from the table column A and column B. You must remember what is the topic about the table and try to realize, and you must try to make sentence. You must remember, you make sentence but meaningful. You make sentence meaningless is not sentence. So that you must try again and again at your home or practice randomly at your home, step by step. You must follow about the topic. Firstly, you read attentively question among question and you try to realize how to make. Thus, you make the topic. If you follow my direction and advice properly and practice at your home, you can do. You always try to read attentively the question paper or question booklet. This is so essential of a student to make 5 sentences. Firstly, you try to realize or understand the meaning of the topic. It is so essential sentence making. You must follow teachers' directions and advice and practice so that you can do. It is easy topic if you practice randomly. It's not hard, and your performance must be developed if you follow this advice or directions. So this topic today's completed, and you must try to practice at your home. I give you homework. Write down particular question you practice at your home, and model question you must solve at your home. If you practice more and more, you must attend this topic, the JS exam. You must not feel any kinds of hesitation or anxiety if you follow teachers' advice and direction properly. I hope you are well at your home. Some I give you advice as because present situation is so critical, you know, and well known. So you must take care your health and your families. Stay your home and study particular syllabus, JSC, this and others.